Ready to get the job done right? First, make sure you've got the permits that keep you safe. Every industrial site has hazards, but with the right permits, you're prepared for the risks. Here are 3 permits you need to know. First up, the hot work permit. If your job involves welding, cutting, or anything that produces sparks or flames, you need this permit. Fires can start in seconds. That's why you need fire watches, the right personal protective equipment, and a fire extinguisher close by, no exceptions. Next, the Confined Space Permit. Tanks, pits, or tunnels may look harmless, but they can be deadly. Low oxygen, toxic gases, or even getting trapped. These are real dangers. That's why a Confined Space Permit demands atmospheric testing, a trained standby person outside, and a rescue plan in place before anyone goes in. Finally, the Electrical Work Permit. Any job with live wires or energized equipment needs one. Electrical shock, arc flashes, or burns can happen in a flash. An electrical work permit makes sure equipment is isolated, grounded, and locked out. It's not just a checklist, it's your lifeline. Remember, permits aren't just paperwork, they're your first defense against disaster. Don't cut corners, get the right permit every time. Stay alert, stay protected.